Hey, I'm Atul Sharma, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can install Kali Linux in VirtualBox or VMware Workstation. In this video I'm going to use VMware Workstation. So let's begin. First of all, let's search for Kali Linux. And go to downloads, download Kali Linux. And here download the latest version. You can use it by download it by using torrent file or do direct download, and you have to look whether your PC is 32-bit or 62-bit, and according to that download. So after downloading the Kali Linux, you have to download VMware Workstation or VirtualBox. Let's go for VMware Workstation and go to downloads and VirtualBox. You can download any one of these for the same. And just go this and download it from here. I have already downloaded it, so or you can download VirtualBox from here. So after downloading this, just install VMware Workstation or VirtualBox. Right now I'm going to show you how you can install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. So after downloading Kali Linux, extract it and you will find this ISO file in it. If you're downloading from torrent, it would directly download it, would be downloaded like this way. After that, open your VMware Workstation and create a new virtual machine. Just click on typical and click on next and install the disk image and browse that file. Just open it and click on next, and as it's Linux, and select Kali Linux if it's available, otherwise leave it to Ubuntu and click on next. Name it something, just name it Kali Virtual, and click on next. After that, allot it some space. I'm going around 30 GB and click on next. Just click on finish. Your Kali virtual machine is created. Now let's power on this machine and install Kali Linux in it. Live AMD 64. Let's click on graphical install and click enter. It's gonna take some time, so let's be patient. Click on English or your specified language, country India, American English. The procedure of installing this in VirtualBox and in your directly to your laptop is almost same, so you can follow it if you are installing it directly to your laptop as your main OS. So let's hostname be default, domain name leave it blank and click on continue. Now set some password. Remember this password as you would require this to log in. Used entire disk as and select the virtual disk that you have created and finish partitioning and write changes to a disk and click on yes. Now it's gonna take some time. I would fast forward this. Kali Linux is successfully installed. Let's use a network mirror and click on continue. Click on continue and just leave it blank and click on continue. It will configure the apt that you can use to get updates. So that's what happened. Wait for a while. It's going to take some time. I'm going to fast forward it. So apt is installed. Now it's configuring the package manager. It is also going to take a little bit of time. Now it's installing the RUB bootloader. You can say that group bootloader, as I said. It's when you're installing more than one OS in one system, GRUB bootloader, group bootloader is used in that case. So click on yes. Just select the device and it will install it. So installation is finished. Now it is just removing the files. Now click on continue. It would restart the machine. So now it is rebooting. Now it's a group bootloader. Now let's select Kali Linux and let's wait. Okay, now let's put username as root. It's default. I haven't changed it. You can change if you want while installing it. Now let's put the password and click enter. So as you can see that Kali Linux is successfully booted. So in next video I'm going to show you that how you can configure the Kali Linux for VMware Workstation so that you can use it as full screen, and I will link that video in the description. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. Thank you.